So here we have a new 160 EL. It's got the long stick, quick coupler, and the blade on it. I'm going to kind of show it off, see what it can do and everything. So when it's time for us to upgrade, we'll kind of have a good idea on what there is out there. Oh, and you got the what is that actually called? 3-piece boom, third member,
2-piece.
Two-piece.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's only got 2.
I mean, people get confused with that because you got the arm.
Yeah, and you're looking at 3 pieces, but it's really only 2.
I set up my buddy about that.
Oh, the auto salvage yard.
Yeah, I'm wearing a shirt right now too. So you can do this down to a 160, even on a wheeled 160, and that'll handle most cars. It's just when you get people who are like, well, I want to run into, say, a Ford Explorer or bigger SUVs, and I put the long, so this is like a handle.
And that would handle it.
Oh, yeah. So 235. One customer just wanted 220s, so we had to modify the machine so we could get hydraulics down below because we didn't have the blade on it. That makes sense what you did about first. This size uses the same swivel as.
So first I'm going to show off the quick coupler on this. So what you want to do is curl your bucket all the way up. Take the quick coupler button over here. Now you're going to unlock it. Now what you're going to do now is hit the bucket switch over here. And when you push your push that button and your joystick to the curl, and it'll put pressure on it and release the coupler. And then your bucket's off. And to hook it back, all you do is hook your coupler, scoop the bucket back up, and what you want to do is take your switch, push it back into the lock position, then push this button, and then you push your bucket curl, and that'll put the pressure on it and lock your bucket back in place. Now this one does have the blade on it, so I'm going to take a few scoops, make a little pile, and I'm going to take the blade and push it off. We'll kind of see what it will and won't do. I can already tell how much faster this thing is over mine. Maybe you'll be able to hear me a little bit better now. Got a little rock in the dirt. Take 5 scoops out, then we'll push it back and see how strong it is. Alright, and it's got a blade control over here on the side. Let's see what this thing will do. Curl the bucket up so it's up out of the way. I'm using my feet. Heck, that didn't even. Of course, that was only 1 bucket full. Let's go over here and try this out. That's the first time I pushed with it. That was stronger than I thought it was going to be. I was expecting it to kind of bog down, but it didn't even phase it. That's pretty nifty. I didn't think it would be as strong as it was. do the ultimate test. Now this machine has the long stick and the quick coupler on it, so it's probably going to tip. Well, that is a little surprising. I figured it would have tipped over. Now let's see if the blade makes any difference, having the blade down. Not really. Look how smooth it is. Getting a little jealous now. It's quick. Alright.
I don't want to knock you off. I'm gonna go this way just a little bit. I'm not gonna knock you off. Okay, that's good. You can stand on the track now. So if you watch, it'll show the slew. So if we go out with the boom, this percentage will go up on max weight that the machine can. So we can tell when we're in safe zones.
So you're at 73% now, 74 of work, safe working load.
Right. So the farther I go out away from the machine, the more likelihood you have the tip.
And that's
So
what I think that's at 8,900 pounds is what that block weighs.
8,900. Yeah, right at 9,000 pounds.
So now you're getting close.
So we're getting close. And that's almost having a boom extended all the way out.
Well, I'll step back and let you do a few circles, reach it in and out.
Yep. Okay.
Pick it up and down.
Yep, but that's how it works.
Okay. We got the PL 305E pipe layer. Gonna do a little demo of it working. The 8,900 pound steel block. Matt, did you say it can pick up 50 tons at very close range?
That is probably kilos right there. It says 8,900, so that's probably about 22,000 pounds.
Oh, that was kilos? Oh, so that's 22,000 pounds? Wow.
A lot of the things out here are already in metric.
Okay. Okay.
As long as you listen to this and don't keep your block up real high,
You're fine? Okay.
you want to put the camera in it and just talk about it.
Alright.
It's great.
Okay, I'll do that.
One more thing you can do.
So I got a crash course in the pipe layer. So that is a 8,900 pound steel block. We did clarify it's not kilograms, this screen shows you, let me pick it up off the ground. Right here where I'm at 55, about 55%, 53% of its working load. And it's showing it weighs, actually the scale showing it weighs 10,000, 11,000 pounds. So as we kind of go off to the side here, I'm gonna raise it up. So as this works, what would be your stick in on the excavator is when you pull back, it raises the cable up, and when you pull out, it lets it down. And then for your boom down and boom up, your hydraulic over here for your boom, when you push your right stick down, it lets the boom out. See, we'll get on out to probably, we'll get out to about 90% there of our working load, and you'll see that it started to give an alarm. See, I'm at 95%, so if I go any more, it's going to start tipping. So I'm going to bring that back in and get us back in within our working load limit, or safe working load limit. So as you can tell, it's just like a crane. It's going to swing every which way. So if you raise the boom up enough, it could swing into it. But that means they got rubber stoppers. It's made for pipe. So right now we're at 45%, and as Matt was saying, once this is right up close, this machine can technically pick up 50 tons at like right here though. Now that all the weight's off of it, it's probably the weight of that shackle that it's picking up of being 800 pounds. It's pretty neat. But I mean, you can see right here, this is absolutely the first time I've ever run this, and now I'm within like 98% of the working load limit, which means I was at 100%, but we didn't tip. So I mean, it does have safety factors, and I was off the side of it there. So got to be nice and smooth, or this thing is pretty much like a battering ram. We'll see how fast it'll raise them over. That's pretty quick for a cable. Up with all your slewing and everything. The boom right now is at a 67.6 degree angle, and I'm still within 45% of the working load limit. So if I really wanted to, all you got to do is boom down. As soon as you boom down, it's increasing that angle. Now I'm at a 50% angle, and I'm already at almost 80% of the working load. Now I'm at 90. It's calculated. So pretty neat. You just got to pay attention. It's one of those machines you got to pay attention with.